Hey everyone, what's happening? Welcome to another video. Today I'm changing out the fuel pump and the fuel pump, or the fuel transfer pump, in an E70 X5. And basically I couldn't come across any information online that showed how to disconnect the lines here from the fuel pump assembly. And so sometimes you'll have these metal tools to remove fuel lines. This is for an Audi. There's another plastic style that sometimes goes inside to release this fitting, but you don't need any of those for this car, thankfully. All you have to do is use your fingernail to push down on this blue clip right here. Push down, and then we're going to pull it, slide it back. And this whole line will come right off. So you can see here when I press down on this with my nail, those two blue clips spread apart like that, and that allows you to take it off. And of course, to put it back on, this fitting just slides right back on like so. And that's all there is to it. Okay, stay tuned for a more involved video coming where I will show you how to do this nightmare of a job. Just kidding, shouldn't be that hard. Okay, thanks for watching. Hope this was helpful. If it is, click the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon.